Let's see what our deep sea diver friends are looking for today. As they plunge into the depths of the ocean, their mission is clear: to uncover the secrets of the mysterious saw shark. With their specialized gear and unwavering determination, they navigate through the dark, murky waters. Our divers are on a quest to capture rare footage and gather invaluable data, all while ensuring the safety of these enigmatic creatures. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of the saw shark. Greetings, all you fine, feathered marine enthusiasts. We are talking about saw sharks today, and this is another saw you'll need to be really careful around. Among these denizens of the deep is the saw shark, a creature that seems almost otherworldly. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. And by the way, Mermaid Molly will oversee this marine exploration today. If you watch closely, you'll catch a glimpse of her in her new fab underwater seashell home. The lifespan of a saw shark is a subject still shrouded in some mystery. Unlike some shark species which can live for centuries, saw sharks have a relatively short lifespan. Based on current research, scientists estimate that they live for approximately 15 to 20 years in the wild. This relatively short lifespan makes them more vulnerable to threats such as overfishing and habitat degradation. Their short lifespan makes understanding their reproductive cycle all the more crucial. Saw sharks are ovoviviparous, meaning that their eggs hatch inside the mother's body and the pups are born live. This reproductive strategy is relatively common in sharks and is thought to offer the developing embryos a greater degree of protection. The saw shark is a fascinating creature of the deep, often shrouded in mystery. It prefers the cool, dark waters of the continental slopes where sunlight barely penetrates. Typically, it resides at depths ranging from 100 to 1,100 meters, a range that offers both safety and sustenance. Here, in this world of perpetual twilight, it finds refuge from predators and an abundance of prey, thriving in the dimly lit environment. Imagine the pressure at these depths, crushing to most life forms, yet a perfect home for the saw shark. Yet the saw shark is unfazed by these extreme conditions. Its cartilaginous skeleton, lighter than bone, allows it to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean, enabling it to move with grace. Saw sharks are not creatures of habit in the sense that they hold territories, but they do have their preferences. They are, however, creatures of habit in that they rarely venture far from their preferred depth range, ensuring they stay within familiar and safe zones. This is likely due to the availability of prey and the suitability of the environment at these depths, which provide all they need to survive. Their distribution is global, with populations found in the Atlantic, where they navigate the vast oceanic expanses, Indian and Pacific Oceans, showcasing their adaptability to various deep-sea environments across the world. The saw shark, with its elongated, blade-like snout, is a creature that commands attention. This distinctive feature, known as a rostrum, is lined with sharp teeth of varying sizes, giving it the appearance of a saw. Its body is slender and streamlined, perfectly adapted for navigating the depths. Coloration varies slightly between species, but generally ranges from a pale gray to brownish gray, providing excellent camouflage against the ocean floor. Their size, too, is a testament to their deep-sea adaptation. Most species measure between 1.3 and 1.7 meters in length, with females typically larger than males. This relatively small size, compared to some of their shark relatives, allows them to maneuver with agility in the confined spaces of their deep-sea home. Danger in the deep predators of the saw shark. Even in the depths, danger lurks. Saw sharks, despite their fearsome appearance, are not exempt from the predator-prey relationship that governs the ocean. Larger sharks, such as great whites and tiger sharks, pose a significant threat, particularly to juvenile saw sharks. These larger predators are drawn to the deep waters where saw sharks reside, making encounters an inevitable part of life. The threat from above is not their only concern. Marine mammals, such as seals and sea lions, are also known to prey on saw sharks. These agile hunters are drawn to the same prey as saw sharks, creating competition and the potential for conflict. Sensory strategies, saw sharks, and survival. Survival in the deep sea requires a unique set of skills, honed over millions of years of evolution. Saw sharks have evolved an arsenal of sensory adaptations that allow them to thrive in their challenging environment where light is scarce and pressure is immense. Their most notable feature, the rostrum, is not just a weapon, but also a highly sophisticated sensory organ crucial for their survival. It is covered in electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini, which can detect the faint electrical fields produced by other organisms, even those hidden beneath the ocean floor. Imagine, if you will, being able to sense the heartbeat of your prey through the sediment, giving the saw shark a significant advantage in hunting. Their eyesight, while not as important as their electroreception, is also adapted for the low light conditions of the deep sea, where sunlight barely penetrates. They possess a specialized layer of cells in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, enhancing their ability to see in dim light, much like a mirror. These combined sensory adaptations make the saw shark a formidable predator, perfectly attuned to its dark and mysterious underwater world. The long rostrum, a tool for hunting. The saw shark's rostrum, its most striking feature, is a multi-purpose tool. While its appearance might suggest a slashing motion, its primary use in hunting is far more nuanced. The saw shark uses its rostrum to dislodge crustaceans and other invertebrates buried in the seabed. Picture, if you will, a gardener using a trowel to unearth bulbs, and you get a sense of the saw shark's hunting technique. But the rostrum is not just for digging. It can also be used offensively, stunning fish with swift sideways swipes. Their teeth, while not serrated like those of a sawfish, are sharp enough to inflict serious wounds. This combination of digging and slashing makes the saw shark a formidable predator in its deep-sea realm. Sawfish or saw shark. Clearing up the confusion. The saw shark is often mistaken for its distant cousin, the sawfish. While they share a similar-looking rostrum, there are key differences between these two cartilaginous fish. Sawfish are actually rays belonging to the order Batoidea, while saw sharks are true sharks belonging to the order Pristiophoriformes. One easy way to distinguish them is by their gill slits. Saw sharks have 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits located on the sides of their heads, while sawfish have their gill slits located underneath their bodies like other rays. Additionally, saw sharks have a pair of barbels, or whisker-like organs, on their rostrum which are absent in sawfish. These barbels are thought to play a sensory role, helping the saw shark detect prey in the dark. Conservation concerns. Protecting the saw shark. The saw shark, like many deep-sea creatures, faces an uncertain future. While they are not directly targeted by commercial fisheries, they are often caught as bycatch in bottom-trawling nets. This indiscriminate fishing practice can decimate populations of deep-sea creatures, including the saw shark. Habitat degradation, particularly the destruction of deep-sea coral reefs, is another significant threat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the saw shark and its deep-sea habitat. International organizations are working to establish marine protected areas in regions where saw sharks are known to occur. These areas would restrict fishing activities and help to safeguard the delicate ecosystem that saw sharks rely on. The future of the saw shark. The future of the saw shark remains uncertain. As we continue to explore and exploit the deep sea, it is crucial that we do so responsibly. Sustainable fishing practices such as reducing bycatch and avoiding sensitive habitats are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of the saw shark and other deep-sea creatures. Public awareness is also key to conservation. By learning more about these fascinating creatures and the threats they face, we can all play a role in their protection. The deep sea may seem like a world apart, but it is intricately connected to our own. The fate of the saw shark and countless other deep-sea creatures rests in our hands. In conclusion, an enigma of the deep, the saw shark, a creature of the deep, continues to captivate our imagination. Its unique adaptations, from its saw-like rostrum to its electrosensory abilities, make it a marvel of evolution. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we are constantly reminded of the incredible diversity of life that exists there. The saw shark, with its enigmatic nature and vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem, serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of understanding and protecting our oceans. Our beautiful mermaid friends Mindy, Mandy, and Molly, as always, appreciate and invite you to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of their underwater explorations. Until next time, stay safe and happy hunting, my friends.